Students, congratulations on making it to Unit 4.2. As they say, the end is nigh. And it's never been more true. Check your course schedule to see when that final essay is due. And spoiler alerts, no late essays are going to be accepted. So make sure you get your essay in on time, because the final grade submission between the end of a summer course and when grades are due is super duper tight. So you must have those papers in on time. Again, discussion board works much the same for 4.2 as it did for 4.1, where you're going to choose some topics and continue the discussion and really think about what other people are saying, especially if it's related to the topic that you're kind of narrowing in on. You will see that there is some really interesting actual discussions here. Everything from human embryos to eradicating mosquitoes. And every day I see new information on these genetically modified mosquitoes. They've actually released them. So we'll be curious to see how that turns out. And then submitting your final draft. You're going to submit it, please pay attention, to two places. Submit it to your Dropbox so it can be graded in Eagle Online, as it always is. And then also submit it to this Google form so that it goes into our assessment database, because we look at this essay's results to help us transform the rest of the course to make you a good writer for these types of assignments where you're taking in a lot of information and then you're giving back critical, sort of heavy critical inquiry, critically demanding, relevant writing, right? It makes you a good writer for academic circles. It makes you a good writer in the professional workspace, right, when you go on to your careers. So by submitting here, it actually helps us to redesign the course to make you a stronger writer for what we feel is the most important writing you're going to do. And that's not necessarily for this class, but it's for all the other classes and your workplace. So I appreciate it. And I want to congratulate you guys again on getting to Unit 4.2. I'm sure it's been a very challenging semester, but hopefully also rewarding. And I wish you guys the best. Enjoy what's left of your summer.